Welcome to our quick side-by-side review of two popular countertop ice makers, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the White Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and design to help you make an informed decision for your home or party needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to pricing, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker is priced at $59, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the White Ice Maker, which is priced at $69. This difference might influence your decision if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your ice-making needs. Both ice makers boast impressive ice production speeds, with the Sweetcrispy model producing 9 cubes in just 6 minutes, while the White Ice Maker produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This slight edge in production speed may be a deciding factor for those who need ice quickly. In terms of daily ice production capacity, the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker can produce up to 26.5 pounds of ice per day, slightly surpassing the White Ice Maker's capacity of 26 pounds. This small difference could be significant for larger gatherings or parties. In conclusion, both the Sweetcrispy Countertop Ice Maker and the White Ice Maker offer great features for ice production. The Sweetcrispy model stands out with its lower price and slightly higher ice production capacity, while the White Ice Maker is also a solid choice with its efficient performance. We hope this comparison helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.